2 by 5 of total number of students of a school come by car, while 1 by 4 of students come by bus to school. All the other students walk to school, of which 1 by 3 walk on their own and the rest are escorted by their parents. First, simplify the question, break it into simple parts. We do not know what is the total number of students. So first of all, the total students, we don't know how much it is. We have to find it out. This is our question. There are some people who come to school by bus, some by car, and some by walking. Out of the people who are coming by walking, there are some people who comes by walking on their own and some with their parents, escorted by their parents. Now see what are the informations given, that 2 by 5 of the total number of students of a school come by car. So 2 by 5 come by car, and so this is done. 1 by 4 come by bus. So here we have 1 by 4, and then we have come to the last point, that is how many students come by walking. Now, out all the other students, we will read from here, all the other students walk to school, of which 1 by 3 walk on their own. So, out of whatever is left, that is over here, whatever is left, out of that, 1 by 3 come by walking. Now, this 1 by 3 students and the rest are escorted by their parents. If 2 by 4, 2, 2 to 4, 224 students come to school walking on their own. So, this 1 by 3 is equal to 224, which means 224 students are such who come by walking on their own. So, firstly, we have to solve the question in this manner, that is, we have to find out how many parts of the total number is this 1 by 3, because I know its value, which is 224. So for the first step, we have to find out how many students come by walking. So the total is considered as 1. We will take the total as 1. So this is 1. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 5. So in order to find out how many students come by walking, we have to deduct these two, 1 by 4 and 2 by 5, from 1, which is the total. 1 by 4, add these two and deduct it from 1. 1 minus, first add it, it is 25 plus, so it is 1 minus 13 by 20, which means 7 by 20 are the students who come by walking. Out of 7 by 20, 1 by 3 come on their own. So out of 720, 1 by 3 is basically 224. So let's find out what is 1 by 3rd of 720. It is 7 ones is 7 and 23 is 60. So we can say out of the total students, 7 by 60 come by walking. So in order to find out, so we know the 7 parts of the total. So we need to find the total part. So total part will be 60. So simply we have to use a reciprocal of the 7 by 60, which is 60 by 7, because we need to find out the total. And what is the value of this 7 parts? It is given as 224 over here. So simply now we are going to cancel it out. Divide 224 with 7. So 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. So we get 32. So this is 32. Now we have to do it 32 into 60. Let's do it. 12 and 3 6 18 plus 1 19. And here there was a 0, so here there will be a 0. So the total number of students in the school is 1920. This is a very important sum. From here we are able to find out. Now we will move to the next part of the question. Next type of question. 1 by 4 of a number is added to 1 by 3 of that number. The result is 15 greater than half of that number. So I don't know what is the number. So let's take the total number as x. So we are going to write, let the number be x. So the number is x, which we don't know. Now 1 by 4 of a number. So the 1 by 4 of x is added to 1 by 3 of that number. So 1 by 4 of the number, that is 1 by 4x, is added to 1 by 3 of the number, that is 1 by 3x. Now the result, that is the result of this, what we get is 15 greater than half of that number. 15 greater than half of that number means half of that number is half x, and it is 15 greater than that, which means this minus 15 is equal to half x. So this is my equation. Now we are going to simply solve the value for x and find out what is x. All the x and its terms on the left hand side, that is 1 by 4x plus 1 by 3x, and bring this side, which means minus half x, and take this constant to the other side, which is equal to 50. Now we are going to solve it. Operation is addition subtraction, so we need to perform an LCM. LCM of 4, 3 and 2. LCM of 4, 3 and 2. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12. So 12 is my LCM. Now we know 4 into 3 is 12. So we are going to multiply the same with the numerator. That is 3. So 3 into x, 3x plus. Here there is 3, which means 3 into 4 is 12. So multiply the same with the numerator. That is, we get 4x. Minus, we have 2. 2 into 6 is 12. So multiply this with 6. And the answer is 15. Now 3 plus 4 is 7x minus 6x. So 7x minus 6x is equal by 12 is equal to 15. 7x minus 6x is only x. X by 12 is equal to 15. Now x by 12 means x divided by 12. So in order to bring this 12 this side, we have to multiply it with 15. So to find out the value of x, we need to simply multiply 15 into 12. Let's do it. 15 into 12. 5 into 2, it is 10. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Then 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1, 0, 8, 1. So my answer will be 180. So the number we were talking about is 180. We can check the answer. How? See, this equation will be true for x. 1 by 4 of x, find out 1 by 4 of x, then you add 1 by 3 of x to it, and then you subtract 15 from it. The answer that you will get is half of x, which means 180 divided by 2. You'll get 90, which means the answer is correct. So this is how you have to perform these kind of sums.